How do you use the FPPR Renewing Powder and what does it do? Let's explore that today. The FPPR Renewing Powder helps to keep your sex toys fresh and feeling exactly like the first time. It's perfect to use in combination with the FPPR collection. This is the FPPR Renewing Powder itself. It lasts a very long time and a little goes a long way. Today I'm going to show you how to use it and what it does. The powder here makes sure the material that the masturbator is made of maintains its high quality over time. It also provides a softer sleeve for a more realistic sensation. So when using the FPPR Renewing Powder, make sure to use it only after the masturbator sleeve has been completely cleaned and it's also completely dry. This is the best way to use it. So start by removing the masturbator sleeve from the case itself. Next, we're going to unscrew the cap. Once you've opened the cap, there are 5 little holes just here. This is where the renewing powder will come out. Please note to be very gentle when pouring the powder out, as it's very fast. Once you have your masturbator sleeve, what you're going to do is gently tip like so, and you can see the powder beginning to come out. Make sure the masturbator has an even coating. Once you're certain it has an even coating, what you can do is start to massage the powder all the way through, making sure every bit of the masturbator sleeve has a good coating. Don't worry about the colour, as in time this will all be absorbed. Once the powder has been completely absorbed and you've rubbed it in properly, it will look completely normal as well, and it will also feel very soft and smooth and perfect, just like the first time you used it. We recommend to use the renewing powder after every use and after it's cleaned to maintain a comfortable use over time. If you found this video helpful, why not like the video and check out our other product videos on our YouTube channel. Perhaps you have a question you'd like to ask us. Why not leave a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.